What's up video, welcome to another video, and today's video will be regarding the three new devices which has been unveiled by Xiaomi on their event which was held yesterday. After debuting in India last month, the Redmi Note 9 Pro and the Pro Max were followed by the Redmi Note 9S, which is a global variant for the Note 9 Pro. Now the company announced its all new vanilla Redmi Note 9 as well as the global variant of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, which is called the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Another device which has been unveiled on that particular event was the Mi Note 10 Lite variant, and that is also a light variant for the Mi 10 which has been unveiled a couple of months back. So I have also made a unboxing video regarding the Mi 10 device, and if you are new here on the channel and haven't watched that video, you can find its link in the description and also in the cards, and you can check out that video as well. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the Redmi Note 9 Pro, which is a global variant for the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, which was already unveiled in India last month. Yes, it's properly confusing, but that's that Xiaomi naming for you. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the global version of Redmi Note 9S in this video, and in the follow-up video I will be discussing about the Redmi Note 9, which is a brand new device which has been unveiled on that event. So quickly I will tell you about all the specs of that particular device in this video, and before going into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing. Starting from the display of that particular device, we are seeing the similar spec sheet which we have already seen in the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So starting from the display, the device is coming with a 6.67 inch of IPS LCD panel, and that panel is coming with a 1080 by 2400 pixel upper resolution. 20 by 9 is the aspect ratio, and the front is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The front is also coming with a punch hole camera cutout present in the top center of the device, and that camera sensor is coming with a 16 megapixel of a camera inside. Moving on towards the back side, well, we have a quad camera setup present on the back side, in which the main camera is going to be a 64 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel of ultra wide, and 5 megapixel of a macro shooter, and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. Also you will see an LED flashlight present on the back side, and the back is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 protection. You haven't seen any kind of fingerprint scanner on the back and the front. Well, fingerprint scanner positioning is present on the right side of the device in the power button. Internally, if you look at that device, the device is coming with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor, which is kind of an old processor. I have already mentioned in my previous videos that Xiaomi is providing the 720G processor, which is kind of 1 year old processor inside their devices, and the GPU which is coming inside that particular device is going to be the Adreno 618. Two variants has been launched for that particular device in global market, and one is going to be 6GB, 64GB internal storage. The other one is going to be 6GB and 128GB of internal storage, and also they are supported by micro SD card slot inside the device. And lastly, the storage is based on UFS 2.1. Software wise, it is coming with an Android 10 support, and MIUI 11 is the skin on top of Android 10. Battery wise, the device is coming with a non-removable 5020 mAh of battery with a fast charging support of 30 watt inside that particular device. Three new colors has been introduced in this device. One is going to be tropical green, glacier white, and interstellar gray. Lastly is going to be the price of that particular device. In terms of price, the device is coming with a price tag of 250 euros. So overall, if you look at that particular device, the device is coming with a decent spec sheet inside that particular device, but not having a 5G connectivity or the latest processor inside that particular device is kind of a disappointing thing from me, because the Xiaomi has already put a Mi 10 Youth Edition which has a price tag of 270 euros inside it, and that device is coming with the latest chipset inside, and even it supported the 5G as well. So guys, that is it in this particular video. What you think about that particular device, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.